In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Hostinger coupon code to get a discount on your hosting plan. It's a simple process that can help you save some money, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head on over to www.hostinger.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a prominent button labeled Start Now. Click on that, and it will take you to the next step in your hosting plan selection. After you've clicked Start Now, you'll be presented with a variety of hosting plans. Take your time to review each one and select the plan that best suits your needs. Once you've made your choice, simply click on Choose Plan. This is your gateway to potential savings, and choosing the right plan is essential to getting the most value. Now, as you proceed, you'll find yourself on the purchase page. Here, you'll see a prompt asking if you have a coupon code. Click on that prompt. It's important because it's where we'll apply your coupon code to reduce the total cost. In order to find a valid coupon code, I recommend heading to a trustworthy coupon site. For this video, we're using hostadvice.com, which often lists up-to-date and legitimate coupon codes for Hostinger. Once you're on the website, scroll through the options and click Show Deal next to the coupon that offers the best discount. After clicking, you might be redirected to a new tab where you'll find the code HASSPECIAL applied. At this point, make sure to copy this code. It's crucial to have it handy as we'll need to paste it back on the Hostinger checkout page. Return to the Hostinger cart page where you initially saw the coupon code prompt. Here, paste the HASSPECIAL coupon into the designated field. This makes sure the discount is applied to your purchase. Finally, click on Apply. You should see the discount applied to your total, making your hosting plan much more affordable. Keep an eye out for other promotions from Hostinger that may become available from time to time, offering even greater savings. And that's it. You've successfully utilized a Hostinger coupon code to get a great deal on your hosting plan. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to stay subscribed for more money-saving tips and hosting guides in the future. Happy hosting!